Right. Good afternoon, student. Good afternoon, by online student. Right. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Right now, all students try to log in your system by giving your username and password. The username by CMA is common to all. 02 given by your password. And click on login. Click on login. How about others? Are they absent? Having lunch. Okay. Until to come by the others, the person student, you have to log in the system. Student, you actually are getting on the student login, no? Yeah. Yeah, student login. In my system having a staff login. Click the login. The username activated by here and given your password. Select on here single use account. Single use account. Click OK.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
can you share the screen?
Sorry, I didn't share the screen. No. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After given by your username and password, then you are getting the welcome window of MyOB Premium. In the setup window, click on open. Then activated by the existing files. Select the certificate private limited. The file type RPM PRM type. Click OK. In this the online software, the second time as a last your password, given again your password. Then activated by the single account user. My goodness. You're getting the same message. Huh? Mm-hmm. Actually, I don't have a registration number. We'll see. Give me the few minutes to get a clarification from the SAP campus. I cannot log in the system because system asks a registration number. So also getting. Not a system registration number. On that. Also no. Username එක මගේ CAM dash capital S 02 02. Yes, under data folder. The file naming company name. Certificate Private Limited. ඒක open කරනකොට ඉල්ලන register number එක. දැන් class එක. ඔව්. හරි. Okay බලන්න. Okay. Register now කියලා ඉල්ලන්නේ. Please සනුන message දෙක පාස්. Okay. Student, please give me a few minutes. Because of that, there is some technical issues. Technical issues, registration number issues. Now, campus contact to the software agency, the software provider. They will give us some registration number to log in this system. Actually, this will be happen in the online system. Until to recover this issue, the both by the online and the physical student, you have to be studied in the last few sessions by customers and suppliers. Then recovering this issue within the 10 minutes time, we will start up the session by the today discussion. Any other issues regarding the last week's session? Now is the time to get clarification from me. Register now, register later, and also looking at the same issue with you. Because of that, they are not actually providing the registration number today. Like a file version, they are running at the moment. After given by this license number, the actual software will be updated. Don't know what will happen by database. Until to solve by the issue, you have to complete your part. And also, today also I observed that, isn't it? Except the very few people, they didn't take the photocopy. Then if you are doing that way, from the next week, I'll ask to the Jennifer to upload the lecture material on after completion by the session. Then display your documents in the screen. You have to be see the multimedia, the projector, and you have to be enter because they are not provide the hard copies now. Like this, they have to be in the 2-page document now. 10 rupees. Otherwise, you are trying to copy and paste. This is the no point to copy and paste, no. If I provide in the examination in the hard copy, how do you copy and paste? Even your understanding, getting the same in the future. Before that, you have to settle down the issues from the second. If you are creating a new company, please Inserting the new company, creation of the new company, you have to be select on the data folder. Otherwise, when you click on the open file, the created company file will not be located in the same place. Keep in your mind, under the data folder. If you take on the backup file, then you can save it in the backup file in the backup folder. Oh, sorry. Hello. Sorry. Minarikinna. හරි සම දැන් ලොග් වුණා. ආයි ඉෂුව එකක් නැහැ නේද කියලා අහන්නේ යාළුවා. හරි. Right. Before start your right now online student. Now okay. Before start your activity, check whether you are open the correct company. Here SAP Cricket Private Limited company. In the screen. Right, click on for the moment, click on here list. Click on list. Under the list card. Customers. How many customers we have? 5 customers we have. Is it okay? 6 or 5? 2. Only I have 5, no? Okay, anyway. Yes. Don't know. Because of that, the license software, you look at in my case also, they have reset the password from their side. We cannot reset their password. Change. And click on supplier 2, 4, 7 suppliers. No. They have to be completed on all suppliers and customers. In the next week, we will incorporating a outstanding balances, system beginning balances to the customer and supplier. Still, we don't have a balances. Right. Click on close. Now today, we will start on the inventory setting part. Right. Click on here. First setup. Link account. Link account. Check on here sales account integration. Already we had integrated by the sales ledger retail with the customers, freight, discount and late interest charges. Is it there? Okay. Click OK. Including the data control account integrated with our main bank account. Click on here again, setup. Today a little bit slow in the internet connection. Right. Which account? Look at it now. Because of the internet issue. You also getting the registration number issue? Right. Some issues having the system, students, you have to be contact with the SAP campus, Mr. Sandun. He will be given a solutions to you with after discussion by the software provider. Because all the license, serial, everything having them. And even today having some issues in the internet connection. We have to bring in the additional router, no? Sandun, other internet connection එක down වෙනවා. අර කාටද additional router එක පොඩ්ඩක් ගේන්න කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? කවුද ඉන්නේ මේ? මේ ඉන්ටර්නෙට් බෑ අද ගෙනියන්නම බෑ මේක. ළමයිගේ මගේ දෙකම down වෙනවා. log වෙන්නම දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔව්. දැන් ඔයා මේක දාපු ඉඳන් පස් ගමනක් විතර down වුණා. දැන් ආයෙ down වුණා. බලන්න. Right. You see, click on again setup. Don't shout. Link account. In the last week, we did the integration to the purchase account integration. After completion by the both integration, we had completed on these customers and the sales supply part. Today you click on here inventory section and turn to the your tutorial page number 1. Tutorial in the page number 1. set up inventory and other items. Create the following inventory items. The first, the system we have to create by the both service item and the inventory item. Because of this, the company, the sport club, the providing the support to the school student to providing actually support into the cricket lessons, as well as providing the ground facilities. Not in the system, this is in your tutorial. You look at the tutorial. You are not the small girls and boys, you are the matured one. Last few session I informed to you, please take the 2-page document to spend in on the 20 rupees or less than 20 rupees. Look at the first, the service item in here. We have to set on the both inventory part, the service inventory as well as the selling inventory item. In the cricket lesson, there are 2 types of cricket lesson. Individual lessons and the group lesson. The individual lesson mean individual practicing, coaching. And the group lesson mean group practicing. Look at the second paragraph. Given the coding system, alphanumeric coding system for the service item. First block, single alpha character, 1 character, single alpha character. S equal to service item. If you are set on the item given the first letter by S, the meaning of the service item. R mean raw material item. I mean inventory item. In the second block, 2 alpha characters given by a type of service, whether it is a raw material item or inventory item. Shall I open my tutorial in screen? Because of that, our student didn't bring the tutorial. That's the issues of the people. Look at the tutorial. The service item, individual lesson and group lesson. Look at the item number in the first character S. S means service item. The second block, 2 alpha character for whether it is a individual lesson or group lesson. Lesson type. Lesson type here, lesson individual, lesson group. The third one, the third block alpha character identify the individual type lesson or the group type. Individual and group. Service, first character, lesson, IND mean individual, GRP mean group. Okay. Now we will set on the first item, service item, cricket lesson service item. You have to get a correct understanding. If you are setting on the service item, like the coaching, practicing, the lesson, Actually, we not getting on the bind the item. And also we are not inventory each item. Because of that human being, the training people are giving the trainings to the young generation, the school student, or even in the outsiders. Therefore, this service item, listen very carefully, not like previous session. In this lesson, there is no buying item and no inventory item. Understood? The human being, we cannot take as a inventory item, no? Whatever the day we practice to the student, the coaching people and training people come to the ground and giving their experience. No inventory item, no buying this item. Only we generate the revenue or turnover from this lesson. Yes, in the sub cricket club, we have to pay. And the student, those who are getting the individual lesson and the group lesson, they have to pay to the company, sub company, sub private limited club. Understood? Right. With this understanding, click on inventory items. You'll see. I think we'll see. Give me a 1 minute. Wait, give me a 1 minute to delete this item. Don't know. Right. Now click on here, new function. In the inventory item, given the name called in by service item, LS mean lesson, individual. Service item, LS mean lesson, IND mean individual. Click on tab button. Given the lesson type, individual lesson. Individual lessons. Right. Click on tab. Item and item name, code and name. Okay, the three types of integration are there. I buy this item, I sell this item, I inventory this item. In this, what do you call the service item, the lesson practice, click on here, I sell this item, integrated with here under the cricket lesson income. Cricket lesson income. Now all the ledger accounts have to be in your ledgers. Click use account. In future, if you are giving a training for the school student, directly this income credited to the cricket lesson income in your trading and P&L account. Not I buy this item, not I invent this item. Lessons. Inventory detail. If you have a different description here, you can add this description. The automatically system block here by in detail. The system itself block the buy in detail. Because of that, in the profile, I buy this item, keep in the silent mode, inactive. Therefore, the system block the buy in detail. Click on sell in detail. Base selling price given here 500 rupees. 500 rupees. In selling unit of measures, given here per hour rate, given here hours. Hours. 500 per hour. Integrate with 15% VAT. Because of that, the lesson income is liable item. Include or exclude, look at here. The system asks whether your selling price inclusive or exclusive VAT. If you put the here tick mark, price are calculated with tax inclusive, VAT inclusive. Whether you are getting a calculating a sales price based on the actual sales price or base selling price, you have to be selected on here. Now we given on the base selling price 500, then you select here base selling price. In some companies are calculating their revenue based on the actual selling price. Complete. Click OK. Now the first not actually inventory item, first service item create in our system. First service item. Okay. Click on a new. Given on the item number, service item, lesson income, group. Tab button, given here group lesson. Group lessons. Okay. Now again, click on I sell this item. Now automatically activated by the cricket lesson income. Cricket lesson income. Click on sell in detail. Group lesson, base selling price 250 per hour. VAT liable for this turnover. And according to our exercise, inclusive tax price. Here, select on actual price or base selling price. No quantities. Got it? And completed? Click OK. Now, individual lesson complete.
So in the
No
previous
quantity on. Sorry?
so in the previous window, what is level B and level C, D like that?
Where? In the
Yeah,
in the
selling
section.
detail. Yeah, in the selling details window.
This one.
Yeah.
These are the price level. Because of that, let's say like we have different customers. We have to be add on the different price level on a different school. Like example, if you have the good customers from the last 10 years, we have to be given a little bit less prices.
Okay, so okay.
Over this amount, you can give actually this the service item. No, in the inventory item, you can give the bulk discount from the reputed customer, so that given on the different price levels.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. I got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. And turn to the next section.
Excuse me, sir. So what is the tax code, sir? Tax code?
Tax inclusive mean? Wait.
No. Tax code when sold?
Yes. In the selling detail.
Yes,
Click.
sir. What?
The already we set on the 15% sales tax.
Okay, sir.
You know that from where we set on the sales taxes. Go to the setting part, edit the one of the sales taxes and given the rate by 15%.
All right. Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll teach in the later.
Okay.
Here, go to the list. Go to the list. Go to the tax code. From the tax code, you select the one tax code and edit. Edit. Like given the tax code by VAT. Description not on VAT value added tax. Tax type goods and service tax. Rate by given in percent VAT rate in the country by rate of 15 or 10 or 12. Then integrated with VAT collect and VAT paid account. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
Right.
you.
Okay. Okay. Click on here item list. New. Now name in the item, product name, brand name, and product type. Right. Now, there are three types of ground hiring charges. Ground hiring charges. Look at this hiring charges income. School matches. This is our ground. We hire to the school match and day and night match and club match. Different rate. We applied for a different type. School type 1,500, day and night 5,000, and club matches 4,000. Right. Now, set on the item, type on here S mean service item, GH mean, what do you mean by GH? Ground hiring, and SM mean school matches, correct? School matches. Don't cut and paste. You give the code in. Right. Service, ground hire, school matches. Click on tab. Given the bucket type, school matches. School matches. In this ground hiring is I buy this item. No, I don't want to buy this item because of we have a ground. I sell this item. Yes, I sell this item. This is my income. What is the relevant income? Ground hiring income. Click on here. Select on ground hiring, ground fees income. Ground fees income. Integrate with ground fees income. Not inventory item. Inventory detail, selling price, selling detail, inclusive price 1,500. Normally, we will charge on the ground income by an hourly basis or daily basis. Yes, liable item, inclusive tax price, select on actual selling price or base selling price. Here we given on the base selling price. Okay, right. Click OK. Ground lesson complete. Look at here, selling price 250 per hour. Second one, new code given here, service item, ground hire, day and night, day and night. Day and night matches, item name. Track with income account. I sell this item. Ground fees income. In the selling price, 5,000. Let's say like a 5,000 in the hour basis, or if you are charging on the daily basis, you can put on the day. Selling price 5,000 hourly basis or daily basis. If you put on like a here unit selling unit of measurement like day, you can give here day. Then daily basis. The school matches also you can take on like a daily basis or hourly basis. If you charge on here VAT, yes, this is a liable on VAT. Tax inclusive. The tutorial also given here, tax inclusive. Look at here. Inclusive VAT. Inclusive VAT. Click OK. Set on the day-night matches. Any modification, click on edit and do the modification. Until to the beginning balances, you can delete this item. Last item. Service, ground hire, club match. Club match. Item type, club matches. I sell this item. Income, ground fees income. Selling detail. 4,000. Day or hour. Inclusive VAT and actual selling price or base selling price. Actual selling price or base selling price. Okay. Right. Now we complete the cricket lesson service item and ground hire charges service item. Right. The third section, bet hire income. Bet hire income. Service item, HR, here tutorial, turn to the tutorial. Service item, HR mean higher bets. The bet income, bet, BAT mean bet, code. Inclusive VAT by a 50 rupees per hour. Especially in given here, if you take on a one bet from this club, the club charge the 50 rupees from an individual person. Right. New service higher bet hiring charges by from the bet. The item name bet hire. Bet hire. This service charge, service income, the bet hire income, having integration with the I buy this item. I buy this item. Yes. Because of that, before giving the bets to the playing people, school, the practicing people, we have to buy this item. And also we have to keep in the inventory. Then given to the players to play the cricket. Understood? Right? Click on here, yes, I buy this item. But not the purpose of selling this bet. Right? What is the purpose of maintaining this inventory item to hiring this item? Yes. Expense account. Go to the cost of sale. Cost of goods sold or material item. Better you select. Or separately you can create the one of the cost of sale item. Or expense item. Click on I sell this item. I sell this item integrated with where? Equipment hiring account. Where the equipment hiring account. Equipment hiring account. Click use.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, sir. In the integration of buying item should be linked to the asset account instead of cost of sale account.
No, in the inventory actually this is a different type of inventory. No, the asset no. Actually, we are not using for the fixed asset purpose. is this
Okay.
item used for the rented out to the players? Got this point?
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, this bat is used by the for the purpose of fixed asset. You have to be integrated on the equipment.
Okay, sir. Okay. Now, yeah. Thank you, sir.
You understood that issue? He's asked the question why we don't integrate it with the asset account. Actually, we can integrate it with the separately. You can prepare it on the asset account by given the bat asset or something. But here the system asks what is the item you integrated with the relevant expense. That's why we integrated with the cost of goods sold account. Thirdly, you integrated with this item in a inventory item. What is this? This is a general inventory item or demo inventory item? Huh? General inventory item or demo inventory item? Bet. It's a general, no? Look at this screen. There are two types of inventories we have. General inventory item and demo inventory item. Please give idea. This is a general inventory item or demo inventory item? Huh? Tell me. Yes, online student. What's your experience? Normally we maintain like a general inventory item. Demo inventory item can. No issues, but normally we use for the general inventory item. Now activated by the bind detail also. Click on inventory item. You have a detail, you can fill this detail. Bind detail. Here given on the bind unit of measurement item or each one by one. Number of item per bind unit may be a one or more than one. If you are taking like a box, bundle, pairs like this. Minimum level of restocking. The restocking unit may be a 10 item, 15 item. You can add on here. The minimum inventory level that have to be maintained in your inventory. Maybe a 10 units. And given primary suppliers for supplying this item here activated by your suppliers. Activated by your suppliers. If you taken on the like a Prime Sport Private Limited, use this supplier. Supplier item number, if you know the supplier item number, you can insert on your supplier item number. And last one, default reorder quantity, maybe like you are ordering by the 5 item at once. You can give the default reorder quantity. You reordered by 5 quantities. Click on selling detail. Given on here 50 rupees, not day, hour. Number of item per selling unit, 1 by 1. We given a 1 batch, 2, 3 like this. Number of item per selling unit one by one. Liable VAT item, inclusive tax price. Here given in the question, calculated sales tax based on the base selling price or actual selling price. Got this? Is it complete? Click OK. Now we set on the bat higher. Bat higher. Look at this. The service item not activated by the quantity on hand and the last unit cost. But this bat higher item activate the quantity on hand and the last unit cost. Later we can insert by this detail. Right. Next one. Bat repair. Bat repair. Bat handle and blades. Repair services price at 250 per bat, inclusive VAT. And item code will be service repair bats. Add. Given on the code name, service repair bat. Bat repair. Right. This is not our item from the customers. The club take on the responsibility to repair this item. For the little moment, maybe a one or few days, company have to maintain on this item like the inventory item. Click on here, yes, I buy this item. Click on here, select on here, cost of material, not cost of goods sold. Cost of material, actually repair, the repair. Use this account. I sell this item, not equipment hire. Look at here, repair income is there. Yes, repair piece is there. Repair piece income is there. Select on repair piece income. In the ledger, because of that, if the one of the client send the 5 bats to repair this item to our company. So for a little moment, we have to be maintained by this inventory item in our warehouse. Take in on the order, no? Take in on the order, we repair this bat and pass it to the client. Actually, this is not our inventory. This is not our inventory. If look at a good question. If I select on without this buy item to the inventory item, you can maintain. No issues. Actually, we don't buy, but for the small number of days, we have to maintain these bats for like our stock. Not actually this inventory item belonging to the company. Whether you decide on that way or keep on the blank in the I buy this item. No issues. Anyway, from the what do you call that? Bat repair income only we generate by the income. Let's say like a mobile phone. Let's say if you are given this mobile phone for the repair purpose, actually they put the orders to you know. First they get the item to their item list for the temporary basis. And after completion of this repair, this item removed from the list. Maybe take maybe 5 days. For that days, you have to maintain like your inventory. Not necessary, but keep in your mind, some organization have maintained for the others item like your inventory item for the short period of time. Doesn't matter. Can keep on here, remove the item, not I buy this item. Only I generate a sell this item and the inventory this item. But problem is here. Look at here. If I remove this tick mark, you try to delete this one. Again activated. Got this point? Because of that, this system was developed based on this logic. You got the point? Actually, this is not developed by me. This is developed by the software developers, no? Because of that logic, the system was developed. Otherwise, you take like a soft logic. They have a large number of items taken on the finger. Abbas, they are taking a large number of items for the service purpose, repairing purpose, in a different branch. So we have to maintain like a temporary basis in the system, like I buy this item. Really, we are not buying this item from the client, actually for a repair purpose. The thing is that if I trying to delete, listen me, boy. If I trying to delete this, the system asks to where to you integrated this account. Otherwise, you can remove all and keep only repair income in here. No maintained by the inventory item even. You think logically, is it correct accounting treatment? No records for the item if we are taken from our customers, our client. If I click on remove this one, this is purely a service item. Actually, not like a lesson income, not like a ground providing income. This income embedded with some item, linked with some item. Got this point? That's why this system given instruction, actually in hidden instruction to the accountant. If you integrated with like this is the inventory item, you have to maintain with the I buy this item. No issues. You can develop in here separate account under the cost of sales or some expense range. You can integrate this item with this particular item. Yes. Yes. Sorry. Yes. Actually, not recognized as a permanent inventory. In a temporary case, we have to take from the item to the order. Otherwise, only we can pay the I say this item. Yes, we by this. After generating by the what do you call the item called bat repair. Bat repair income itself generating the double entry. That is fine. Otherwise, you have to be removed both by this item and I invented this item. Only you can integrate it with the only I sell this item. In the question in here, no longer we maintain by even one single information for the client data, client inventory item. For the order, if you take an item like this is the mobile phone, if we provide the this mobile phones to the service company, at least they have to issue the order. So this point, right? Right. Then click OK. No, go to the here buy in detail, complete, sell in detail, bat repair, 250, not by our per bed. Per bed. Not allowing to type by the all. This is the system limitation. Based on the actual price or base selling price. Click on OK. All right. Right. Now, turn to the inventory item section. Here you can identify that part from very clearly. Inventory item, the coding system for the inventory item. 1, first abbreviation, 2, character, 3 character, and 3 character. In the block code. In the block code. The first character, I inventory. I inventory. Shouldn't you see the screen? Actually, here not student, accountant, not small students. No, right here. RP mean type of income stream, like a repair. RP mean here repair. Identify the coding method. There should be a logic. Next one. HND, category of inventory. Category of inventory handle. RUB, characteristic of inventory item, like a rubber, like a wood, like a metal. This is called the characteristic of inventory item. Right. Now, based on here, look at this here. The inventory item also, we have a repair item. From the supplier, Prime Sport Importers Private Limited, given the orders for the repairing item by a 2 type of item. To repairing on handles, bat handle and bat plates. You know that This is a bat handle. This is a bat blade. The front and back appearance. Who is the item provided by Prime Sport Private Limited? The 4 types of handle item given: RP cord handle, RP rubber handle, and RP wood handle. Right. First we develop these 3 types of item. Here given on like a box and of 20 item. There's a different story. Eh? One box including a 20 item handle. One box 20 item like this. Cost per price item inclusive VAT. Repair prices inclusive VAT and the item code. Right. Click on the system. New item. First one. Inventory item. Repair item. Look at the difference between this one and the earlier one. In the repair income, here inventory. In the early case, is service. Understood? Next. Handle. Cord handle. Cord handle. RP cord handle. Given the item name here, RP cord handle. Okay, RP cord handle. Yes, look at it. For the temporary basis, supplier Prime Sport Import Private Limited given to repair this item. Okay, I buy this item. Look at the additional information in the down of the table. Cost of sale account, you have to be set on here. Cost of material, repair. If you want to put the like before that, cancel this. Click OK. Close. Go to the accounts. Account list. Under the cost of sale, click on cost of material, edit. Type on here, cost of material, then very simple, repair. Repairs. Edit. What do you mean by cost of material repairs? Click OK. Close. Now click on inventory. It's not confused, no? click on the account. Wow. Now I edit, modified my existing account. Under the account list. Then modified my existing account. Under the cost of sale, I modified my 2,100 cost of material account like cost of material repairs. This is my detail account, no? Close. Inventory, item list. New item. Inventory item. Repair item. Handle. Alt handle. RP card handle. I'm not completed. Okay. Cost of material repair. Because of that, I try to edit that, amend that. Then here I sell this item. Look at the additional information given here. Repair fees income. I buy this item, I sell this item. Third one, I inventory this item in my general inventory, main inventory. In the buy in detail, now you can given on here, not each box. How many number of items for the buy in you need? Buy a 20 item. In the box including 20 handle. Yes, the both sales and the cost price inclusive VAT. The minimum level of restocking unit maintain type on 0 because we don't know the supplier, the number of item provided to company. No. Yes, in a prime spot import private limited and a default inventory reorder level in a blank. Because of that, these are not our item given by our suppliers. Okay. Next one. New inventory item. Sorry, I didn't set the cell in detail. RP code handle. Cell in detail. Here. Cell in detail given on here. Base selling price by 800 in a box and 20 each. Where we put the 400 rupees cost price? In the inventory opening cost of the item. Right. Okay. New inventory repair item handle rubber handle RP rubber handle RP rubber handle click on here. Yes, I buy this item, like repair item. Now clear now, like a repair item, not actually cost. I sell this item in the repair piece income and I inventory this item, general inventory. In the buying detail, yes, box 20, VAT, same detail in the buying from the same supplier. Click on selling detail, 500 per item. VAT inclusive. Click on based on the actual price, so base price. And also you try to understand in some organization having the different type of buying unit. Like let's say if you are taken on the for the purchase time, you are taken on the box. In the selling time, if you selling the item by the one by one. Understood? The taken on the bulk and selling on the item by the one by one each. Then you have to be amended here each one. Okay. Next one. New inventory, repair, handle, wood handle, wood handle. RP wood handle. RP wood handle. Yes. Yes, I buy this item. Cost of material repair. I sell this item and credited to my repair income account. I inventory this item in my general inventory. General inventory item. In the buying detail, no more changes in the buying detail. In the selling detail, given on the repair price per item, in the wood handle repair by 700 rupees. But you have to be keep in your mind here you if I put like a box and the 20, actually we charge for the one item by 700, eh? From the one item by 700. Likewise, you can change a selling unit of measurement like each can change. And one. Here buying the item from the customer, we take it from the box and 20. A different method applied by the different entities. Now I change here, not by the box, by each item, one by one. And number of item per selling by repairing of one item by 700. Here also can, because of we put the base selling price, no, select on base selling price. If you charge on the student, what is the difference between base selling price and actual selling price? What is the difference between here base selling price and actual selling? Let's say like if I select here base selling price by 700, after completion of this repair, actual selling price may be 1000. Therefore, we should give the instruction to the system whether we charge this amount from base selling price or actual selling price. Can edit the selling price. Because of that, the already we given on the base selling price here. If I select on the actual selling price, in the actual price we can take to the system. Right. Now click on OK. Right. Next section. Not handle repair, blade repairs. Add new inventory repair, not handle repair, blade repair, BLD. And wood blade, willow wood blade. Name willow wood blade. Inventory name. I buy this item like repair cost. This is my repair cost. This is my repair income. I inventory this item. Then find detail. Same supplier. In a selling detail, change the price by 1,000 rupees. Base selling price. Click on here, VAT, inclusive, and whether you charge the tax on based on the actual sales price or base selling price, if here given by the base selling price. Because of that, we given on the base selling price. Then based on the 1,000 rupees, 150 rupees per VAT payable. Got this point? This is my base selling price by here 1,000. VAT 15%. Based on the base selling price, how much I paying on the VAT payable? 150 rupees. After repairing this item. If you charge more than to the 1,000 rupees based on the actual sales price, you have to be calculated on the actual VAT payable and recording on this amount. Click OK. Next one, wide willow blade, new, ordin, inventory repair, blade, wide willow blade. Not WWW, no. Wide willow blade. Change by your tutorial. Next. Here same items are there. That's the reason. Change the coding by WWW. ₹900. New. Repair item. Blade. Aluminium metal blade. Aluminium metal. Aluminium metal blade. I buy this item. I sell this item. I inventory this item. Check this, the integration area. Repair expense account, repair piece income account, and inventory account. A buying detail, box, buying unit of measurement, and number of item per buying unit 20, and VAT, and transport private limited. In a selling detail, 1,100 base selling price, selling unit of measurement 10, number of item per selling unit, and calculate sales tax based on actual sales price or base selling price. Right click OK. Next, new, last item, inventory, repair, plate, refine, polymer, blade. RP, repair, reinforced, polymer, blade. I buy this item, sell this item, invent this item. Buy in detail, and sell in detail. Change here 1,300. And based on the base selling price or actual selling price, tax on calculated. That complete on that part. one student asked a question here. The base selling price 1,300, no? The level 1 activated by 1,300. If you charge on level B like 1,350, you can add on here. In the level C mean third level 1,400. You can add on here. Like when you can do the editing part, modification part based on the different price level. So actually, we don't charge the same amount from the different client. It's a practice, no? In the different amount and levels, we have to be applied on the different rates and the customers. Likewise, you can add the modifier. Even in the next price, the base selling price 1,300. Some customers you can charge 1,200. The both way you can apply. Only we have a A to X price level we can maintain, but with the installing of the software, the developer can change the levels. Maybe a 10. Actually, Sage provides the 10 levels, 1 to 10 levels. In here, in the Sage, actually, no need to integrate it by one, like this. If we integrated by the first time by the different account like purchase account, sales account, inventory account, data and all, then they are to automatically take on integration. The different software having a little bit different features. In this software, one by one, we have to integrate. Okay. Any other question? By online student? Any question from you? Break. Okay. Give me 1 minute. All right. Online student, do you have any question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. Okay. Then for the short break, we'll take on the 10-15 minutes, and then again we'll start on the balance part of this inventory setting part. Right, shall we start? Right, now turn to the next page. Now this is the item we set on the selling purpose. Look at here. This page number 3. In the page number 3, inventory item for sale purpose. The first selling item, buy shoes. The additional information you look at here now, debited to the cost of sale account, not by the repair material account, and credited to the equipment sale account and inventory account. Right. Right. Click on a new inventory item. Even on the card, I mean inventory, equipment sale, and platinum convertible Puma cricket shoe. Given the name, platinum convertible Puma cricket shoe. The pair, given here Puma cricket. Shoes. Right. Now, integrated with a different account. Click on yes, I buy this item. Integrated with the selling item. Cost of sale account. Cost of goods sold. Click use this account. And now selling on this item. Yes, I sell this item. Set on the equipment sale account. Not equipment hire, equipment sale account. There are two types of account. Equipment sale account and equipment hire account. This time you have to select on equipment sale income account. Different account. And integrated with the general inventory account. General inventory account. I buy this item. Given on the here, the buying unit of measurement by a pair. Number of item per buying unit 1. I mean actually 2 item, but we consider 1 item. Right, let's say these are the inventory item. If we maintain by the minimum level of restocking item by 10 and integrated with the supplier of gear given on the supplier Sachin Sport Private Limited. Integrated with the Sachin Sport Private Limited. And if you know the supplier item number, you can give like 1, 2, 3. Given on the reorder quantity like 20 item, 20 pairs. default reorder quantity. The number of items you are taken as one slot. Order. Click on here selling detail. The selling price per pair 4,000. Selling unit of measurements also pair. Number of item per selling unit by one, no? Actually, the two items we consider, let's say, pair. If one student asks a question from me, actually before the break, okay, in the level 1, 4,000, you can add on the 4,000, 1,000, sorry, 4,200, then 4,300, then, sorry, 4,300, then 4,500. Enough. Levels. Then calculate the sales tax based on the base selling price or actual selling price. Click on OK. Right, add on the second shoe item by I inventory less HE HJA item Adidas cricket shoe. Adidas cricket shoe. Second item. Adidas cricket shoe. Then click on here. Yes, I buy this item from the cost of goods sold. And I sell this item. Equipment sale account. And inventory item for this item. General inventory item. In a buying detail, the pair 1, let's say like minimum stock we maintain by a 12, and Sachin Sport Private Limited, you know the number you type here, and reorder quantity like 15, you add on this detail, the optional detail. In a selling detail, the one item 3,600, VAT inclusive selling price, select on here base selling price, then the other price level you can add here like 3,750, 3,800 and 4,000 like this. Add on the different level because these are the selling item. Selling item. The last item in the shoe category, new, given the ID, inventory number, inventory SHELAN. On the name Nike cricket shoe. Nike cricket shoe. Nike cricket shoe. Integrate. I buy this item. Debited to my cost of goods sold account. My revenue account by equipment sale. My inventory account. ஆமாம் என்ன දැන් ඉන්න හොඳ right then click OK. Sorry පුතා yes give me one lecture taking on the car vehicle. Take the vehicle. Okay, you continue. Yes. What's it all? Girl? Hello. What you are telling that? What's your issue? What's the item? Nike, no? Which item? Last item? What's the material? Wait. Not selected. This one, no? We are in the selling detail. This one, yes. Here. You have to select on the cost of sale, cost of goods sold account. Yes, you are correct. Okay. Equipment, sale account. Remaining one mean in other. The Puma cricket. We are the Puma cricket one. This one, no? Here. Yes, you are correct. Select on the cost of goods sold, no? And Adidas also same issue. Change. Right. Next section, cricket bat. The inventory section, cricket bat, sale account. In previously we set on the bat hire. Now bat sale. The supplier, Malinga bats and balls. The first item, Liverwood cricket bats. Buy a item, click on new. Inventory. Bat. Liver. Give the name like wood cricket bats. Integrated with the cost of goods sold account, equipment sale account, and inventory account. Pre-integration. Buy detail. Select here buyer 12 items, we put a dozen. And 12. Select from here Malinga bats and balls. If you maintain by the minimum stock level like 20 item and supplier item number, enter the code here, and default reorder quantity may be 10 item, and selling detail 1,600 per item. We sell by one or item by item. One item. VAT item. VAT calculated based on the base selling price and given a few price level like 1,700, then 1,750, 1,800 like this. Click OK. And next one. Add the inventory code, IE, SB, BAT, BAT, and Bradbury cricket bats, BRD. Don't give the same code by to the any other item. Type here Bradbury cricket bats. Bradbury cricket bats. Capital. I buy this item, debit to my cost of goods sold, and equipment sale income, and general inventory. Find detail. Here also the 12, the dozen, 12. Malinga bats and balls, change like different quantities. And 5. Selling detail by 1,700 based on the base selling price. Taxes are calculated. Change here different price level. If you want to delete, you can delete the other balance item, balance price levels. Only we maintain by the 3 or 4 levels. Click OK. New MRF cricket bats. Item. Inventory item. BAT. MRF. MRF bat. I buy this item, sell this item, inventory this item. Now you are familiar. Buying from the Malinga bats and balls, change the quantity by like 12 and 6 or something. Give the number. Value added tax, selling detail, 1,750. Based on the actual selling price or base selling price, change the levels by 1,800, 1,900, and 2,000. Remove the other price levels. Add new The last item, A sport cricket bat. Ace bat. Buy this, sell this, invent this. Click on a buying detail. Only we have to change on the reorder and the number. Selling detail 1,700, 1,990, no? 1,990. Change the level 2,000, 2,100, 2,200. Balance. Done. Click OK. In the last page, cricket bats is also the selling item. Add on this item. Give another code. Inventory. Tag. Woodworm. DWD. Given the name Woodworm cricket bag. Equipment sale. Inventory. Buying detail. Here one by one. Change here doesn't. Buy each. One. Let's say like we take 20 in our restocking inventory. The number of supplier, the reorder quantity like let's say 10. In the selling detail, the price given 3,200.
Sir,
Yes.
supply has to be changed.
Which supplier in the profile?
Yeah.
Sorry, in by detail.
So, buying a, yeah.
Sorry, yes, XY Company Private Limited. Exactly. XY Company. Look at that, our physical student not responded. Whatever the supply or customer I selected, they are following. Okay, anyway, thank you very much. And selling detail 3,200. VAT based on the actual selling price. Here the VAT calculation, like 3,300, 3,400, and 3,500. Remove the other balances. Click OK. Add. Next one. Second one, kids Kakabura cricket bag. We'll type on here new card IES bag and KDK the okay. Here now rules to given on the code in type on here Cockapoo cricket bag. The same integration, equipment, income, and inventory and cost of sale. Buying this item by each one by one. Change here 15 and XY company given on the number and maybe a 10 item. Selling detail 4,600 per item. Select on here actual low base selling price maintained by the 4 price level 4,700, 4,800 and 4,900. Remove the other balances, price levels. Done. Click OK. In the last item, original wheel line, gun and more cricket bag. Don't confuse with the item. Bag WGM. We'll type on here gun and more cricket bag. Here the limitation in the number of characters. You can't enter all. In the meaningful inventory item, you have to be entered in here. Click on here, I buy this item, sell this item, and inventory this item. Click on buy in detail. Correct in one by one the each item. In the minimum level of restocking by like a 25 item. XY company. The supply item number maybe 10 item. And selling detail 2,800. $1,900 and 3,100. Remove the balance levels. Done. Look at in my case, I have the one mistake, student. After complete by the total number of item, check the accuracy. I had one mistake. I select this item, click on edit and edit I delete this item. The modification. If you had any mistake, you can delete, you can clear from by the item in the edit mode. In the edit mode, go to the edit. There are different options you have. Right. Now we complete on the all the master files, including the customers, suppliers, and inventory master file. In the next week, we have to incorporate the system beginning balances, opening balances, beginnings. Then after completion of the beginning balances, we can move for the your like little bit your the practical session by given a you to adding some transaction tested on your knowledge, and after that we will take on the your backup file, and in the like in the other subject you have mid evaluation, no? In this subject we will evaluate it by your databases by giving a few transaction, and with this existing detail databases we will evaluate it by your databases taking on the backup file. Therefore, before this activity, this event, you have to complete your database in your computers. Okay. Right. Then we will meet in the next week. Thank you very much. Right. Now we'll stop the class. Thank you very much for the even in the our